Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. This is officially my first video of 2022 on my YouTube channel, and it's going to be officially my last video.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah.
It's only going to be up from here. I'm going to try to keep these videos rolling back to back to back to back. And the number one thing I want you guys to do in 2023, or us to do in 2023, is to keep our hair done. I just did this little quick style in less than 20 minutes. So if you want to see more of the things I do with my hair, stay tuned to my YouTube channel because it's only up from here. And if we want to keep these videos rolling and rocking for 2023, hairstylists out here charging us up, they got too many rules, and their deposit fees are ridiculous, and they don't show up on time, and some of them don't show up on all after they done scammed you out your money to continue this train in 2023. So if you're gonna rock with me, stay tuned to my channel to see what's coming new.